Hey, hi friends. I am live now and welcome to the 22nd live session of my channel. So, guys, so you can ask your questions. I'm live now, so please join the session as much as you can. So, I'll wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. And there is something also I wanted to share with you guys because there are so many recent comment I have been going through, right? And there are some ground rules also, guys, that please don't spam. That is a small request to all of you. Those whoever is going to spam this live session, okay, I am going to block that user immediately. Okay, so let's make it fruitful for everyone, so that it will be benefit for everyone, right? Yes, so I'll take up your questions, guys, one by one. We'll wait for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll start the live session. Anyways, it's a live session, right? First of all, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the 22nd live session of my channel. And I know the last Sunday I wasn't able to give that live session because of the Ganpati, right, festival and all. It was going on, right? And so I was busy with some festivals and all. So because of that, I won't be able to take up that live session, guys. But as you know, I'm regularly taking this live session. But there is one small request, guys. I have seen that now there is less subscribing to the channel, guys. Please, it's a request to all of you. Without your support, I am nothing. Okay, and if you want to see me for a longer run, it's a request I'm telling you, guys. Please tell your friends or whoever is watching this, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, guys, because it's required, right? That is important for me. If you don't subscribe the channel, obviously that is, if if I have to get inspiration and all, right, every day, right? So from where I'm going to get that inspiration? Because the content is every, I know most of you guys are getting selected. I have seen so many comments. Either you are mentioning in the through the comments in the channel comments, or you are mentioning through the mails, right? Or you are mentioning everywhere that you guys are getting jobs, right? So but one request to all of you, that please subscribe the channel if you don't subscribe, because still I can see there is very less subscription in the channel. Without your support, I am nothing. Okay, so I need your support, guys. Please subscribe the channel. It's hardly take a button to click on that. That is not going to charge you anything. So please go ahead and subscribe the channel, because if you'll not subscribe the channel, how I'll get motivated, right? Correct, you guys are getting motivated from my videos, but my support is what? My support is your subscription only, right? So I need your support, guys. Please tell to your friends and everyone whoever is watching my videos on a regular basis. All my viewers, I am telling, please subscribe the channel. The subscription is very less, right? So I request all of you, please go ahead, because I'm continuously back to back, I'm trying to fulfill everyone request, right? And that is what, it going forward, I'll be like this only. As I said from day one, I'm trying to fulfill everyone request. Everything is in pipeline, right? But I need your support. Without your support, I'm nothing. So I need that support in the form of subscription, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe the channel, right? There is very less number of subscription. I'll take up your question one by one, guys. But before that, there is something I wanted to share with all of you. And I'll update about the live batches also soon. See, I mentioned that the live batches I was supposed to start, but due to some reason it got postponed, guys. Okay, because of my busy schedule and all. Don't worry about that one. Whenever the live session, I'm going to start the new batches. I'll basically, I'm making a process and all for everyone. Okay, so we should go through a process properly, right? Because I'm getting mail from or messages from everyone, sir, I wanted to do the live classes, sir. But right, it has to be in a database or somewhere, like in a Excel sheet, where I'll be getting all the details properly. Whoever wants to join the live session, guys. So that is what is in progress. I'm working on that part as well. So soon I'll let you know the live sessions and all. But at the same time, uh, right, I request again, please subscribe the channel. That is important for me, guys, because if you don't subscribe, I'll get demotivated. No, that is not going to happen, because I am motivating you guys, but I need your support. Without your support, I can't do anything, right? You also know. That is fine, guys. But let me share something with you. Last time also I have shared, because there is one question everybody is asking, sir, your playlist is mixed up. Okay. So today, in today's session, first let me present in front of you, all of you, that in my channel, what all things are available. Okay. So let me tell you what all playlists are available, and how you can go through those playlists, right? In playlist, what all videos are available, those things I am going to first show you in front of you only. I'll share the screen now, and I'll share, because this question I have got it many questions like this. Sir, we are not able to find out this video, we are not able to find out that video and all. So for that, what I have decided, that today I am going to tell you which all playlists are available in my channel. It's more than 350 plus videos are available in my channel, right? But you need to go to the right place, right? So if you have something pain, so you'll go to the doctor, right? So according to that, you need to go to the right playlist, then only you are going to get those videos. See, I know, I guys, I'll be coming back to, because today I'll extend my session, don't worry about that one, because last time I have not taken the session last Sunday. So today I'll take up everyone question. But before that, let me share my screen first, and once my screen is visible to you, just let me know. Okay, I'm sharing my screen, guys. Please let me know, are you guys able to see my screen? Please respond me, guys. I need your response. I need your response. Are you able to see my screen, Chandar? Now, are you able to see my screen, guys? Okay, good. Divya, thank you for your response. Nani, I'm not sure. Everybody is telling that they are able to see the screen now. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Yes, I am getting most of the responses. Yes, thank you. Now, let me walk you through today's session. I thought I'll make a video on this one, but it's better that I should mention this thing in the live session, guys. So please see each and everything very, very carefully. This is very, very important for me. Okay, so what all there in my channel? Okay, so if you go through, so there are almost, if I'll see, you see 50. Okay, so it's somewhere how many playlist. I'm not talking about videos, guys. Okay, I'm talking about how many, one second, let me move this one little bit. Okay, so total 25 playlists are available, right? So it's so many videos, it's more than 350 plus videos are available. Now let me walk you through one by one. Now whenever you see, if you guys want, right, any kind of a guidance or mentorship, okay, if you are not able to connect to me, okay, so your questions, your queries, you going to get your answers through my career counseling. If you see this one, this is one of my playlist where you are going to get all my videos related to career counseling, career guidance, one-to-one mentorship for freshers and experienced everyone, whether you are from IT background or a non-IT background, everyone. Okay, every video is available in this playlist. Again, I am going to put this put this playlist. Let me copy this one, guys. Yeah, so this is the playlist, and I am going to put this one here. Okay, just see here, this is the first playlist where you guys are going to get all the career related videos. Okay, all mentorship. If you guys are not able to connect to me, just go through this one. Okay, in the video section you are going to get almost 30 videos, and still there are more videos are coming soon in this one, guys. Okay, so as you can see clearly. Okay, so here you can see why you have a career gap, like these questions will be there, right? Or how to answer this job interview question and answer, right? How you should answer job interview question and answer in the right. So which certification is the best certification, right? And candidates or the members also ask question that I am not getting HR call after interview, right? How to clear final technical interview, right? Like this. Then most common query is like how to switch from non-IT to IT background, right? Then what real time projects we mention for Linux administration job in production environment, applying multiple jobs but not getting interview calls, right? And then don't know what to do in my career, so guide me. So they were asking me. So this is a detailed mentorship or the career guidance I have done. And the recent video, as you can see, that is guys, here you can see clearly, uh, which, right, carrier is good, whether it's Linux or AWS, right? So it's almost 29 videos are available, okay? And I think it's going to solve most of your queries according to me, okay? So please go through this playlist and you will find out in this playlist, especially which I have just pinged now, all career related videos, mentorship, career guidance, everything I have mentioned, which is going to clear your doubts. Please start going through these videos, guys, okay? Now let's move on to the uh, next, right, playlist. What is that next playlist, guys? This is especially, there are some videos obviously, guys, and there is also a recent development in my channel membership which I have done, that I'll mention through the membership video that will be coming soon. I'll be publishing in my channel itself, that what a member is going to get, okay? And there are so many things which I have organized, which I have processed it in a process way, so that you guys should connect to me easily, okay? That is what. Now this is for the member only video, okay, here. And the next playlist is, guys, AWS Amazon Web Services 30 days IT corporate bootcamp. So in this one, guys, you are going to get the videos of AWS course content, okay, completely. So let me ping you this also. I'll take up your questions, guys. Let me finish this one. 100% I'm going to take up your question. Don't worry about that. See, if anybody wants to know any real-time projects which is related to Linux, Bash shell scripting, okay, they can go to this playlist, guys. Linux, Bash shell scripting, real-time projects, all projects I am putting as soon as going forward. Also, whichever the project I'm going to mention, I'm going to upload in my channel. It's going to get in this playlist, under this playlist only. Linux bash shell for the automation purpose. Okay, so I am going to paste it this also over here, right? Now the next thing is, guys, as you can see, this is, if you wanted to know what all Linux, there are 50 plus Linux networking command which is very very important for troubleshooting. So that also is in the playlist, Linux networking command and troubleshooting, okay? So in this one, almost 6 videos are there. Please go through each and every video. Let me ping you this as well, right? And yeah, and the next one is, guys, most of you have been asking, sir, how to prepare resume. So guys, there is a dedicated playlist which I have created for Linux admin resume preparation for freshers and experience. If you want to prepare a resume for freshers and experience, these videos I have already uploaded for 5+ years of experience, or you can say 2 to 3 years of experience, or the freshers also I have uploaded the video how you can prepare the resume, guys. So please go through this playlist which is very very important, how to prepare the resume, right? So let me share this also. This is a playlist, already it is there, it is already there, guys. You need to visit and you need to see. Now uh this is all about, right, resume. And then all live session, which now also I am doing a live session. So I have organized each and every playlist properly now, so there won't be any problem, guys, right, to find out any of the videos. Now if you wanted to know what I used to discuss in the live session, so you can go through, almost 21 videos are available. That is live streaming doubt clearing mentorship sessions, okay? You see here also, this is the live session which you, under this you are going to get all of my live session videos, guys. As you can see here, these are all my live session videos, all my live session videos, right? So this comes under your live streaming doubt clearing and mentorship session, okay? Let me copy this as well and let me paste it over this as well, okay? Now if I go through the next, see there were, so whichever the request, suppose there were requests, sir, we wanted to know what is the average salary of a Linux admin in India, what is the average salary of a AWS Cloud engineer in India? What is the average salary of a DevOps engineer in India? What is the average salary of a SRE engineer in India? So with the authentic data, guys, nobody is going to show you the pay slip of their own. There will be fancy channels and all who will put so much of, but whatever the content I'll provide, that is a genuine and authentic content where I am showing my own pay slip. And if I don't have also, I'll show you the pay slip, the real pay slips. Okay, see what is the AWS Cloud engineer salary in India, that also I have revealed. What is the Linux admin 2 to 3 years of experience salary in India, that also I have revealed. Okay, so you can go through this playlist, this will give you a lot of idea, right? But now since it is 20, right, 24, so obviously the salary may change, it is increased and all. So what people are getting now, so you can go through this playlist also, guys. Now I am going through the next playlist. As you can see, Linux server real time this is very very important playlist, guys, where you are going to get all my real time server related, like NFS server, DNS server, FTP server, right, DHCP server, right, or your LDAP, anything troubleshooting, real time production troubleshooting, okay, which you guys do, those troubleshooting projects I am going to put under this. Total 5 videos are available, please go through this one. As soon as the channel will move our journey, I'll keep adding these videos into this one, whether it's related to Linux or the cloud or DevOps or any role. Okay, I'll be putting those videos over here, don't worry. Docker, Kubernetes, all troubleshooting related videos, it's going to be here. Server related I am talking about, right? And there were requests also, sir, please make videos on RHCA. So there is a dedicated playlist, Red Hat Certified System Administrators RHCSA exam 200 for RHEL 9. So I have put almost 2 videos into this one, guys. So this series is still continuing. I am going to put all those videos going soon only, don't worry about this one. So those who wanted to do any kind of a certification, they can go through this playlist only, right? Now this is the most important playlist if you wanted to know how I take mock interview for a Linux admin, for a cloud engineer, or for a DevOps engineer. All the playlists are available over here, and there in going forward also, you guys are, whether it's a 5 years of experience or a 2 years of experience, anybody can come. It's not only Linux admin interview, it's going to, if you want to give interview, please come give me interview. I'm ready to take anyone interview because my expertise in all domain, right? So that is what I am doing. If you wanted to give interview in cloud, if you wanted to give interview in DevOps or senior DevOps or even lead DevOps also, okay, or SRE engineer, platform engineer, as a database administrator also, I am ready to take your mock interview, guys. So that is there. So you are going to find all those mock interview related videos into this playlist, which is very very important. Let me paste this as well over here, right? So why I'm explaining this much, guys, because this is very very important. Now this is my 100 days of IIT corporate bootcamp. Obviously, I said very clearly. So these videos, there are only few videos, and if you wanted to see all the videos, then you need to visit my website, guys. This is why I said, because there is already a playlist available. Learn corporate Linux. If you see here at the bottom, learn corporate Linux, but it is in RHEL 9. This playlist where you are going to get all the Linux course, but it is in RHEL 6. Sorry, it is in RHEL 6. But if you wanted to go through RHEL 9 and all the courses into a single places, then go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, which is in my website only. Okay, abhishekroshan.com, which I have mentioned, which I have just now posted in the community also. Right, there is offer going on. You guys can go ahead and you can buy it. Okay, totally up to you. Okay, so that is there. But come to the point again. So shell scripting 50 interview question answer is also available over there. You guys can go through this question and answer, and that is enough for you. Now there is a shell scripting beginner to expert level course that is also available in my channel, guys. Please go ahead and watch. You guys will see what exactly. And this is one of the famous Linux 100 plus real time scenario based interview question and answer. This is also available, which most of the peoples are watching. Okay, and 99%, I am telling 99%, I am not getting any data wrong. 99% of the candidates are getting success after this 100 plus in real time interview question and answer, guys. Okay. And then learn corporate Linux, as I said, if you want to learn complete, but this is in RHEL 6. This is a old playlist. If you wanted to go with the new one, then go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, where I have covered everything into a single place. Okay. Now few of you have asked me, sir, please make the same playlist Linux 100 plus interview question and answer in Hindi. So I have started this one, but I stopped because now there is no more videos is coming in this playlist. Reason is because there will be a dedicated Hindi channel I'll be starting soon. Okay. Because see, I don't want to mixed up things. Okay. So here only the global audience, whoever, it's not only from India, it's all over the world, people connect to my channel. Okay. So they can find out this channel for them, right? But anyways, this same videos you are going to get it in Hindi in my other Abhishek Roshan Hindi channel. Okay. Now these are some AWS 300. This series is also going to, because Linux 100 plus interview question and answer, same way AWS 300 plus real time scenario based interview question and answer, that is already I have created. There are 4 videos which I have already uploaded over here. This is very, very important for AWS interview, right, guys? So you can go through this one and you can find out, and soon this series is going to continue. Right, I'll be continuing this series, right? So one second, let me paste it over here. Fine. So I have pasted over here, guys. And same way, Devops 100 plus real time. So this is also I have stopped because, as I said, I have started with Linux completely. I'll cover. Then I'll completely cover the AWS. Then I'll be completely covering the DevOps. Then your base and everything will be strong. You guys will not struggle anywhere. Okay. Like, see, earlier also in 3 years back only I started putting DevOps. But as I said, I am not going to misguide you. I am not going to tell you directly because I know the reality. Okay. So very honestly, I'm telling you, if you are, as I said, mention, if you directly trying to jump into DevOps, so there will be a fall will be there. Okay. So there is a proper way. If you want to get a DevOps role and all, so everything comes through Linux only, shell scripting only, and cloud. Okay. So you need to go a step by step. Okay. If you are directly trying to jump into 20th floor of the building, so it's your wish, I'm totally honest. So I don't want to misguide. If somebody will trying to tell you, no, directly do this course, you'll get this much of package and all, no, absolutely wrong, guys. Any building, you also know, if you have to make a building, you have to start with the foundation, then only you can build the building. Same way. Okay. DevOps is there. So that is fine, and rest all will topic will be continuing soon once I'll be starting the DevOps. So in this playlist also, like Docker Swarm and all, Jenkins and all these videos I'll be keep on uploading. So this is all about my channel playlist, guys, which I have explained, and you can go through this playlist and you can find your suitable video as per your requirement. Okay, guys, now I'm going to take the questions one by one. So, yeah. So, hi Arjun, hi Ram, hi Chirag, hi Mohammed. Okay, so I'm not sure your name is not coming. Please mention your name, whoever. Let me see your question. I'm working as an operation engineer. What can I do to become a Linux admin? What is the roadmap? Okay, so please mention your name. See, I also started my career as an operation engineer. As I said, that is nothing but an application support engineer in On Mobile Global Limited, guys. As I told you, that is my first company. Okay, and there my role was operation engineer. So I know a role of a operation engineer where you have to work on everything. It's not only the operating system; it's basically a application support job. Okay, where you will be supporting your application, right? And at the same time, you have to take care of your application also. None of the services should go down and all, right? So for you, the roadmap is very simple and easy. Please mention your name, whoever you are. Okay. So my suggestion is that the roadmap of a Linux admin is that you through please go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, or if you wanted to stick with my channel, then you need to go through each and every topic of Linux, right? And the troubleshooting which is required. That is important. If you are dedicated, wants to go with a Linux admin, so I said very clearly, and you can go through the course content also, which is available in my freshertube.com. What all things is required for a wait, I'll tell you one second. Okay. So you can see here the course content which I have mentioned last time also. I have mentioned that you need to know all these topics if you want to uh, make your career move to a Linux administration, right? Let me share my screen once again with you guys, and I'll explain once again to you. As you can see here, just see this one. Yeah, so here you can see guys, in the Linux, like this is the roadmap of a Linux admin. He should know each and every topic of this one, right? How to set up a basically a Linux server and all, right? That is required. And at production environment, nobody is working on Ubuntu, very honestly I'm telling you. So you need to work with Red Hat operating system. That is important for you. So go with end-to-end installation of Red Hat, right? Complete Linux architecture you need to know. There are so many things. And why these topics are important, because the same thing I can correlate each and everything, whatever the tools you are going to work as a DevOps engineer or in cloud, every topic you are going to use as a cloud engineer or as a DevOps engineer or SRE engineer or a platform engineer, I can challenge on that, guys. Okay. And it's not something, it's with the data only I am talking about. You talk about anything, just see this topic: Linux architecture and file system hierarchy. What is this Linux architecture and file system hierarchy? Do you know this one, guys? This is nothing but what is basically the architecture of Linux. Like your kernel will be there, like on top of it your shell will be there, on top of your utilities will be there, like that, right? But the architecture and the file system hierarchy, like your slash boot is there, slash root is there, right? There will be different directories and all. And when you work as a DevOps engineer, you have to go within those directories only. Each and everything you take any Linux is not just a command. Again I am telling you, it's way eh, Linux can keep everything, entire DevOps, everything will be coming from Linux only. It's the mother of all the role, according to me. Okay. I'll say like my definition is try to understand, guys. This is very very important, because whatever the work you are going to do, right, and every time you are going to encounter with Linux operating system, every time you are going to encounter these topics and all, when you are going to work as a anything, whether migration work, vulnerability remediation work, as a DevOps engineer, right, as a automation work, anything, Linux will be there. Okay. It's not only Linux. In Linux, suppose this one, if you see Linux basic command in depth, which I have explained, you go and see, right? And managing file system and partitions, you should know how the partitions, and when you are doing NFS mounting, how much space is left, why this disk is full and all. These things you'll be encountering as a DevOps engineer also. What do you think? So if you don't know, then you won't be able to troubleshoot over there. Okay. User and group administration, that is also there in cloud. In DevOps also, whether anywhere if you go and work, you need to deal with the user administration. Okay. Networking, it is very the most important, which I said you should know the subnets, the IP range, the IP section, how the IPv4 works, how the different protocol works, right? Why important, why ns lookup command we use and all, right? Why we use d command, why we use host command and all. This not, and what all configuration files are responsible for those commands and all. For those, if suppose anything is not working, your DNS is not working, how you are going to troubleshoot? Your NFS is not working. In DevOps also, you are going to face same thing, because where you are going to install those tools on top of Linux operating system only. You take Docker, for example, I am telling you, where you are installing Docker on top of Linux operating system. Docker uses Does Docker has its own volume? No. The container volume, you have to map it with the host volume. What is the host over here? Host is your Linux operating system. So ultimately you are using the space of a Linux operating system only. How come you say that, okay, no, we know some few commands and we'll start working as a, no, that is what I'm telling. Whoever is guiding you, they are just misguiding you. Kubernetes, everything, the commands which you are going to execute in your CLI only, right? kubectl get pods, kubectl get, means there are so many. Not only I'm talking about command to like administrator of a Kubernetes, right? He's executing those command on a Linux shell only, right? Guys, just I can give you, have you guys run a command called docker ps, right? If you want to know all active and inactive containers, you run a docker ps. There is docker ps hyphen a also. You know, in Linux there is command called ps hyphen ef, ps hyphen aux. What is that? What is that? That is nothing but that is your process management, guys, only. Correct? What is this Linux process management? You see here 17 number. NFS, every time if you have to upload a file, if you have to share the file between two Linux operating system, right? Your logs, your Splunk logs and all, where you are going to put it over there. You have to know NFS. DNS, you need to, if you are troubleshooting while you're working with Ansible configuration management tool. SSH authentication, you should know before installing your Ansible. You come, those whoever is telling now, bring them in front of me, because I am taking interviews. I am hiring people for my project. I know what a DevOps engineer should know, or a cloud engineer should know, and from where it is coming. So I cannot misguide you guys. Try to understand. You have to come via way only, then only you will be become a good DevOps engineer or a platform engineer or a SRE engineer. Even you can work in a production environment and you can sustain for next 20 years, more than that. Don't waste your money here and there. I am telling you, start with this, and this is the roadmap for you. Just now, whoever asked this question, you know, you have to in software package management. You don't know only what is yum, what is DNF, how you, if you have to install a new packages and all, right? Same thing will be while they will ask you to install something, how a software package management works, you don't know that only, then how you'll be working as a DevOps engineer? User security with sudo, every time you work in a, they said okay, just use a command. No, it's not just a command. There are configurations behind that one, that is important for troubleshooting. This is I am able to tell because I have worked with, almost my experience is almost 13 plus 14 years of experience now. I worked with 8 organizations with all these tools and technologies. I am able to tell. But who only works, who directly works as a DevOps engineer after 9 years or 10 years of experience, those guys will tell you, no, okay, you learn this one and you'll become a DevOps engineer. No, there is a way, there is a process, everything. You cannot make ghee directly, you cannot make butter directly. It has to come from the milk. Are you getting my point, guys? Understanding what I wanted to explain over here? So I hope I have given a good explanation for all of you. Okay. So again, Sanket, hi sir, good evening Sanket. Chirag, please suggest me some project for Linux administrator. Okay. So as I said you, so you need to know very straightforward. Chirag answer to you, you should know all the servers related configuration. Okay. You can tell them I have worked with NFS server, you have worked with, you have configured the NFS server right completely, and you have done the troubleshootings also, which I have uploaded few of the videos. You can go and find out my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp also. Okay, please go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. There I have explained each and everything. Here in my channel also it is available. Okay, you can go with this one. This is the course, it is in offer going on. In both the hands I am giving sweets to you guys, but you guys are not ready to take. Whoever is taking, they are getting jobs 100%. Why you are wasting your 1 lakh rupees, 1.2 lakhs rupees? People are telling you that okay, we'll give you the job, placement assistant. I can challenge on that one. Nobody can give you job until unless if you are not willing to. It's you only who can get the job. Try to understand, guys. I have tried all these things. I struggled 2 years to get the job, initial of my career, starting of my career. I also I was like you guys only. Do you really think I have wasted a lot of money initially when I was searching job? Because somebody told, okay, you do this course, so you'll become I'll give you job in my company. Don't go with those tricks and traps. Learning is an investment. Learn. Though the important part at that time, I never think, you guys will not believe, to learn Oracle 10G I have invested 60K at that time when I don't have a job, when my father was died. At that time I don't have a money in my pocket, but whatever the money he left, but what is there, I did it. Learning is an investment. Listen to me very very carefully. If somebody is telling I don't want to invest 500, 900, no, that is you should go. But if you are investing without, see, that is a liability, that is an asset. If somebody is going to give you in free also, na, you guys will not do. But if you are in spending a single penny also, single rupee also, just try to use that one. That is the importance. It doesn't matter you have spent 500 one. See, but if somebody is telling I'll give you the job and then spend but don't go with. If you have to learn something, then go and learn. Because without learning you cannot do. You, how you'll come to know the content and all without? So like that only I have been so, see, I am passionate about learning, but that Oracle 10G is still with me. I know I did not get a job at that time, but I have utilized later in my life. With full dedication I learn at that time. That is what I am telling you. Who the, tell me any of the YouTuber or any one of the person in this, especially I am telling you, especially in the course in this field, who is providing everything into a single course with 999, entire Linux administration, entire shell scripting, entire AWS, entire DevOps tool, entire automation tool, entire monitoring tool, and all three migration projects which I have done in my companies. Those things I am going to mention in this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Who will do? Because, and why you guys will ask, sir, then why the price? See, you go ask. I'm an honest person, guys. I'm telling you very honestly. Because there are some candidates or the people who don't have money, they don't have the job, right? So for everyone I made thing easily available. At the same time I'm telling you, it's totally your wish. You wanted to go with my website, you go and buy. In my channel also it is available everywhere. But learn. But don't fall in the trap. If somebody is telling no, I'll just invest 1 lakh rupees, 1.2 lakhs rupees for next 6 months, I'm going to give you a job, I can challenge, I'm ready to write it down. You are not going to get the job until unless if you are willing to. And learning is an investment, always remember. Anyways, guys, fine. So let me go to the next question. Chirag, I think I have given the answer, right? Projects you said. So the project is Chirag. As I said, NFS server, DNS server, DHCP, LDAP, these things you can mention. You can also mention some kind of automation also, right? Which you have done for backing up. It's already available in my channel. Just now I have explained also, Chirag. You go through those. You can mention these projects, you can mention. Hey, good evening, Yogesh. Mohammed Salman, sir, I am a Solaris admin. I want to move to DevOps. As I said, told very clearly, Mohammed, Anyways, I think you have already enrolled for my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. That course itself is a journey. That course itself is a journey. That is what I am trying to put everything into a single place. Okay, just follow slowly, slowly. That is what. Any doubt, please mention in the dashboard of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Okay, I am answering, and other services also I am providing you to guys. Okay, Sanket Pawar, thank you Mohammed, I think I have answered your question. Hi sir, you explain about the postfix and how to configure see SMTP server. I have not explained postfix and all. Okay, so these things, Sanket, I'll upload the video soon, don't worry, I have noted down your query. uh, Okay, these questions, Divya Ranjan. Hi, sir. Good evening. Sorry to interrupt you. I have taken your course over there. You said is second LVM. I research, but it is showing it is top LVM, and it is right, sir. Okay, these questions, Divya, I would suggest you can mention that, and I'll answer you. Okay. Here, as I said, this is a live session for career counseling and all. That is what I'm trying to do. Hardly I'll get 1 hour and all. So I'll answer your, because any technical question I have in the starting of the session only I told that any technical question you should reach out to me through the proper channel, right, Divya? So I request you to please come to the through the proper channel through my dashboard. There same question you ask, I'll answer. Okay. Ram sir, how to clear second technical round Linux administrator interview? Okay, Ram, so have you given mock interview to me? I'm not sure. So first technical you have cleared it, and just go with my 100 days of Linux, sorry, 100 plus Linux interview question and answer. You should be able to clear your second round of interview. Straightforward, I can challenge on that one. Okay, guaranteed. Just go through my channel, go through all my at least minimum 100 questions you need to do. Okay, you will clear your second round. And if you want to give me the mock interview, then I am going to help you. You give me your mock interview, will clear your second round, I can challenge on that one. Okay, for that you need to join my channel membership. That is a priority challenge membership. That is also I'll explain soon why I have changed. Earlier there is a different membership, but I have changed. There is a reason behind that one. Okay, the scheduling was a very big problem for me, guys. Okay, so that was going through, but anyways it is fine. So Abhishek, I have already okay. What exactly you wanna cover in 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp? Only next batch is going to start. So Abhishek, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp itself is a very big. You can understand the topic which I am covering now. So you can go through my freshertube.com. There you are going to find out my complete this one. Let me put it over here, Abhishek. Okay, and you'll find out. Okay, so in this one the entire topic I have mentioned what all things I am going to cover. Abhishek, I have just pinged that one. You can go through that one, you will find out what all topics I'll be covering. The next batch I cannot tell you because that requires minimum 6 months. The kind of content I am providing, it's required minimum 6 months, Abhishek. It's not a easy task, try to understand. But if you wanted to go with my recorded videos, then same thing you are going to get in recorded videos. It's not the live batch. The course which I am telling, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, same thing will be, but recorded videos will be there. That is not a live batch. Okay, very, let me clear this one. Okay, Celine, hi Abhishek, I am senior Linux administrator. My current project ending in December. I have been on this project for 5 years. Okay. What is the best way to search for jobs and get quick responses? Okay. So, Celine, what I just wanted to know. So you are a senior Linux administrator. Means I think you have somewhere around like 5 plus years of experience. So my suggestion is that if you know everything, two things you need to do. Whether you wanted to go for the same role, but I would suggest, if you are going, then you have already a good amount of experience, right? That is 5 plus years of experience, right? So in that case, First you go through my complete course, so you'll get revise each and everything which they are going to ask you. Then you go with my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. At the same time, I'll suggest you to go with the shell scripting also. In my Linux 100 days of interview, in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, I have cover shell scripting also, and it's available in my channel also. But live session, it's obviously different from the record, means the videos which you upload in your channel, that is one way communication, right? But live session, you will be two-way communication, correct? So you will come to know what all doubts also, while I have explained those topics to the members of my batch, right? So anywhere you can go with that one. So that is one suggestion, Celine. Go with the course first, so you will get mug up of all those things, all those, like just now I was explaining user management, right? And software package management, every topic, shell scripting, everything. You need to go through every topic: NFS server, DFS, DNS server, DHCP server, LDAP server, everything, right? Samba server and all. And then you prepare with Linux 100 plus interview question and answer, right? Prepare your resume is also there in my channel. Just now I have shown you how to prepare a resume for 5+ years of experience. That is also available. Okay, you just prepare your resume, and then if you join 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, then by default you will be able to connect with me. There is a link available. Once you join the course, there is a link available. Through that you can schedule the call, and you can do a career counseling. So I'll do your career counseling as per your time availability. That is what the changes I have done it recently in my channel, guys. Earlier there was no time, but there is a dedicated. So as per your availability and as per my availability, I do career counseling now, going forward. So it should not be a miss for you, it should not be a miss for me also, right? So fine, guys. So I can take up some few more questions. I can see in the bottom. And please, if you ask one time question, guys, please don't ask the question, okay, again and again. I'm deleting the duplicate comments. Please remove the duplicates comment, as I said very clearly. If you ask the question, I am ready to answer your question. Okay. Don't worry about that one. I'm going to ask you. Okay. Don't duplicate. Okay. I'm deleting your duplicate comments and all. Okay. First, let me, because there are so many. I can see one person only commenting so many times and all. Okay. Okay, here I can see. So share some sample resume for fresher. It is Manoj. It is already, just now I have shown you that, right, my playlist. Please go through that one, and see, it's only available once you join. Sample resume, how I'll share with you. You only tell me. Okay. So anyways, I have told you how to prepare the sample resume, and once you join my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, Manoj, there I am providing to my all my that is a service free of cost I am giving whoever is joining my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp resume, right? I'll give you the roles and responsibility also once you join that course. Okay. So Bhavesh sir, networking पे एक एक आध वीडियो लाइए. अच्छा, it is already Bhavesh networking. Okay, good. So it will be published. Okay, fine, you see that one. It is already there in IP section. I'm not sure. Just go through my third video of recently. I have published one video, 30 days of AWS IT corporate bootcamp. Okay, so there it is there, Bhavesh. Everything, IP section, subnetting, how you decide your range, how your 32 bits come, how a 0 to 255 your range will be there, right? How we decide the range, right? Those everything. How /16 you should decide, how many IPs you are going to get when you are going with the subnet /16, right? The range /28 /24, right? How many IPs will be available for you, how many IP will be reserved for you. These things I have explained in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp in the AWS. But there is a video also recently which I have published, okay, in my channel. There also you can see. But if you wanted to see in detail, then you need to go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. It is, I have explained very clearly each and everything, how you have to calculate. Suppose if I am telling you I have to deploy 200 VMs, so what will be the subnet, right? Correct. How many subnets I am going to get, how many total IPs I am going to get, right? How many available IPs I am going to get for my VMs, correct? These questions, Bhavesh, these are the real time interview questions. These I have already explained in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And in my channel, 1 2 3 videos are there. There will be another video. In that video also you will come to know. But if you want to know now only, go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp with the link which I have pinged. Okay. Bhavesh again, sir, networking engineer role पे एक कार्ड video लाइए sir. Already it is there, Bhavesh. Please don't repeat the same question. I think I have answered. Karthik, hello sir. I am working as a network support engineer, but nothing expect monitoring, taking tickets. I am fed up of and depressed of doing nothing since 2 years. I want to go for AWS engineer. Okay, so you work as a networking engineer. I understand your, Karthik. Don't no need to get fed up. See, first of all, you know networking. That is an advantage for you. I said very clear. You see those career counselings and all, where there are members who are network engineers. Now they are doing very good. So you have to start from somewhere because your networking is strong. So now I want you to strong in operating system also and automation. Fine. So once you'll be strong in these two area, then you can start with AWS Cloud. Then you can easily, you'll become a cloud engineer. That's it. What else you require? And once you'll become a cloud engineer, by default, you know all your VPC is what? Your private network, right? Then you will come to know your subnet and your subnet association, your DNS, right? Your internet gateway, your route table and all, right? Everything I have explained, Karthik, in AWS. But before that, as I said, you have to make your foundation strong. Since your networking is good, just learn more about your operating system. Then automation is important to automate your manual task like shell scripting or Python. Anything is fine. And then AWS done. You are no nothing to do anything else. Very honestly, I'm telling you, things are simple and easy. Bhavesh, okay, same question again. Mayuresh, sir, please share content in chat. Content in chat, how I can share? I share the link only, Mayuresh. Content you can, okay, Mayuresh, here again I am putting the fresher tube. Here you go, and here you can see the content of my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp in this one. Okay. So Subham sir, what is the entry job package expect as a fresher 2024 pass out? Subham, this for which role you are telling, Subham? I need to see. Okay. If you will tell me the, okay, Subham sir, your thought about Linux on cyber security, please tell. Okay, see, cyber security is something, when you are going with Linux, that is a different vertical itself, Subham. So it's not my thought, as per my knowledge only I'm telling you. Okay, that is a very good field, first of all, because see, security is something which is companies are putting a lot of money into that one. Understand again, cyber security and all, why it is. See, when a banking domain, basically it's applicable for banking domain, a finance domain and all. Have you heard of JP Morgan and JP Morgan Chase, right? Wells Fargo and all, these companies are your financial companies, like they will do, right? And the banking domain, there will be different. Bank of America is there, right? Orange Bank is in Netherlands. Dutch Bank is there, like we call it as a ING bank, right? So these banks invest a heavy amount in cyber security. Why? Because their data are, suppose if you, data is more important, right? Customer data is more important. Personal data is more important. Subham, right? So we need set of team. There will be a dedicated team, right, who should be working basically on security part, right? How they should encrypt the data, right? How should they should decrypt the data whenever the management requires and all. Because every time there will be a different policy, audits will be happen to the banks and all. Okay, correct. So those in audits, they will invest heavy, because if they will be defaulter, then there will be a heavy penalty for those things. Cyber security is something which is very very important. Okay, so the future is very good, but everything there, there is a ethical, there is something unethical, right? Correct. So I would suggest, even if you are thinking of Kali Linux and all, so you should know your operating system, because everything starts with your operating system only. Somebody has to hack your system. Okay, he has to come via a server only. Okay, so you should know your complete Linux is important for that one. So this is my thought, that it is good whatever you are thinking. If you wanted to go for a cyber security, yes, those guys, those whoever is in cyber security, they are very good in Linux. Okay, their Linux is very very good. They will do, yes. सर, नेटवर्किंग सीसीएनए के कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर रहेंगे तभी लिनक्स समझ में आएंगे. हु टोल्ड यू? No, it's not like that, Bhavesh. You are wrong. I mean, subnetting पे video like already it is there. It is there, Bhavesh. It is there in cloud only. I have explained. Okay, please go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. It is already available. Okay, and one second, in my channel also I have uploaded one video recently in the playlist. One second, what is that playlist? AWS 30 days of IT corporate bootcamp, right? So in this one, cloud first, second, third, public, private. Okay, no, it's fourth video. Okay, I'll upload in my channel also one video. But if you wanted to go now, you wanted to go everything now only, then go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. It is there. There will be a video I'll be uploading in my channel also, where you'll come to know the subnetting and all, everything you will become to know, your VPC and all, complete in depth I have explained. Then you will tell, sir, thank you. Don't worry, Bhavesh. Okay, and if you want to go now, you can go with my 100 days of, there it is already uploaded. Okay. Hi sir, I have been trying to connect with you, email English. Okay, I know Subramanyam. Write Subramanyam. Yeah, so your name is Subbu, I can call you. Okay, Subbu, I have seen your video. You want, I can show you also. I have replied also. Wait, I'll show you. So guys, you should see that what I am very honest with the things. Okay, let me show you. I am replying to everyone. Okay, yeah, this is one. See, yes, I have replied. Okay. So I have noted down also your response. Awaiting, I know it's already awaiting for your response for Linux training, right? So yes. So I mentioned also from Monday 16th of September. Today I'm going to send the invite for everyone. I know whichever. So in the starting of this session only, Subbu, I'll show you 1 second. See, it will be easy for you also. I'm already getting your mails. You this one, right? Nobody will do it like this. Everything is, I am very transparent person. See, you have mentioned on 9th that I want to join Linux training, kindly let me know. I said noted. Okay, again, awaiting for your response on Linux training, right? Again, hi sir, good evening. I know when you are planning for start the training, can you please confirm once? Then I said from Monday, right, on 16th of September, which is already passed, because there were some festivals were going on. And there are, again, you have mentioned I am interested. So in the starting of this session only, I said I have not started any batch as of now, Subbu. Okay, so don't worry about this one. The batch is still not started because there are some reasons. I am just making things in a proper way, in an organized way, so that I can take up, because it's not only 5, 10, 20 candidates, right? There are so many candidates who wanted to go for the live batches, Subbu. Okay, so I wanted to include everyone, and at the same time as per my availability. Okay, I need to see the feasible, because see, it's not like that I'll simply go ahead and start something, right? I need to see, I have to do a complete time management, right? Because there is already a batch going on, I have an active job also, and when I said, when I have announced something, so I'm going to start that one. Okay, but there is a delay because of some reasons. The reasons are basically, it's my busy schedule. Okay, I have to get the time first of all. The schedule is very busy for me now, but it is, you can expect by end, means the last week of September or mostly the first week of October, because few batches I was about to complete. I don't want to overburden myself. Okay, so that is what. And because see, I need to give ample amount of time to everyone, right? I'm a single person, right? I don't have so many people, I'm only one. Okay, so I have noted down, you don't worry about that one. When you are start Linux, I hope it's clear your doubt, Subbu. Okay, so don't, I have taken out, there are so many people who are waiting for this live batch for IT, 40 days of IT corporate bootcamp, where I'll be covering complete Linux and complete shell scripting in 1 month. There will be a 40 days, I said, that is a buffer almost 10 days, and there will be projects will be there. So I'll be updating you, don't worry, I have not started that batch yet. Okay, so सर आपके लिनक्स कोर्स लीवर तो अपने अभी लाइव बना है, उसमें DHCP सर्वर नहीं है. Yes, in this one DHCP is not there. In that one DHCP is not required, Bhavesh, because see, there I include only those topics which is required more into the IT industry, which is as per the current trend, Bhavesh. Okay, so according to that, I have made that one. It's not only for teaching, I teach theme. I said I am not a typical teacher, I am a corporate trainer basically, right? My job is to tell you that what industry is needed from you, right? According to that I designed courses. Okay, and the content also you are not going to get anywhere, because those are the production things which I performed, those things only I'll explain in those topics. You go and see my videos, Bhavish. Okay, DHCP going forward, right? In my channel, that video, it's hardly a configuration I can upload on that one. That's not a, but more than that, more than DHCP, LDAP is important. Okay, LDAP, from the next batch, what I said, this batch I am going to add the LDAP. LDAP is not there, if you guys see in my course. LDAP is more important. Okay, like your AD, you should know. Correct, so I'll be adding LDAP in the current batch, which I'm going to start soon, last week of September, mostly first week of October. Correct. So hi sir, there is nothing, what is, there is nothing in your website, I'm trying to, I got it. Therno ba. Okay, oh, the reason behind that one, you are getting nothing because you are connecting outside India. So those whoever is connecting outside the India, the payment gateway is not enabled. Therno. Okay, for you, your question is that, hi sir, there is nothing in your website, I'm trying to the, it's only for rest of, because there is a problem with the payment gateway recently I have encountered. So team is working on that one, soon it will be live, Thierno. Okay, we were facing lot of issues, okay, related to the international payment gateway, because Razorpay doesn't support, they support international payment gateway, but that is through PayPal. But few of the people, they reach out to me through mails and they are telling they don't have PayPal account now, right? So problem is, so I'm trying to get a payment gateway where international payments, I'll be, means it's not the platform will be able to accept, means the team is basically the new platform where I have uploaded all my videos in my website. So there the team is working on that one. Give me some time, allow me some time. Okay, once it will be, you will be able to see, I'll update. I have your mail also. Tierno. Okay, Ankit sir, how to get your channel membership? Very easily, Aniket. In my channel there are only two membership. Okay, one is your unlock the success, Another one is priority members. Okay, unlock the success. There are some member only videos, okay, you are going to get, that is there. Basically those videos are my recorded live classes videos which I am uploading in my those whoever will become member. So one second, you want that one, let me ping you the link first of all. Okay, at the rate of Aniket. Okay, I have uploaded the link. You can join this one. And if you wanted to go with career counseling, if you wanted to go with mock interview, so there is a new membership I have started for that one. And in that, once you join that one, you will going to get one link through Zcal. You can schedule your calendar according to your availability and according to my availability, guys. Okay, so that is those who are very in hurry burry, because I have encountered so many comments recently. When earlier it was like I used to schedule calls, I have screenshots also, if you want I'll show you. People said that, sir, my career counseling not scheduled. But it's you who don't want to go for the career counseling. I'm canceling those when I scheduled, you guys are not joining. So my time is also important, guys, right? Correct, I have an active job. This is not my primary source of income, right? Correct. So I'm doing my job also, right? Correct. So at that time people are not joining, so it's a waste, right? Correct. So how to solve this problem? So I did a complete like there is a new tool I have integrated with my membership, where member can go ahead and according to their availability they can schedule, and they can see my availability also. So in the calendar what I do is, as per whichever hours I am available, which all days I am available, how many days I am available, you go there and you can schedule your availability. That is good, right, guys? So there should not be a right loss for you or for me, right? Time is more important, correct? So there you can go, Aniket, and you can schedule, you can join my membership, correct? Hi Abhishek, should I go with the YouTube playlist or buy the course from your website? Obviously, Sushil, I said, see, 999 is nothing for you, okay? Nothing comes in free, okay? As I said, both the contents are is going to, how I can say, it is both the content, it's like sweets in your hand, correct? One is with the old RHEL 6, one is, and if you want everything into a single place, right? If you see, right, so in my channel, if you there are Linux 100 plus interview question and answer that you can go with my channel, right? And directly you can go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So both supports each other, right? Because once you know the complete course, you will be easily come to my channel and you can go through Linux 100 plus interview question and answer, right? Correct. So I would suggest, anyways, this is in free, okay? And they are hardly, because you need to go until unless if you don't understand, only going through some interview question and answer, that is fine. You'll be able to qualify the interview. That also I can guarantee you. But when it comes to the working, okay, in production environment, how you are going to work, if you don't know how to configure, how to troubleshoot and all, that will come until unless if you don't learn, right? You have to learn the complete strategy, how you have to troubleshoot, why I am doing this, how it is going to resolve. That explained I have in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, Susil. So my suggestion is, anyways, here nothing I am charging you, right? It is free in my channel, right? But go with the course, that is my suggestion. It's best. Knowledge is not a waste. Okay, it's always going to benefit you. Sir, you have basics, advanced Linux shell scripting bootcamp or recorded playlist. See, in Aniket, in this one, sir, you have I have covered complete Linux to expert level, plus shell scripting in Linux to expert level in bootcamp, and these are recorded videos of my live classes. Are you on? Sorry, I think you guys are not understanding. I'm using live means what? Online classes, like live batch, right? Just now somebody is asking, sir, when you are going to take the live batches. So the live batches, whichever I take, I record those videos, obviously. Correct. So those videos only I am available, I am providing you in my channel, sorry, in my website. So you should not, if somebody, because I have not started a new batch, okay? But if you want to know, if you want to, how you are going to learn all those things, if I am not taking any live batches, so there is a batch which is already going on. Those videos only I am uploading over there, recorded videos. So you no need to invest heavy amount after seeing your financial condition. That is what I told. I am trying to provide the content very easily to you guys, but if you guys don't want to, it's your wish. Okay. Yes, sir. I am from Azure engineer working on issues related to configuring CA policies, access related to. So, can you tell me how to move to DevOps role in Azure DevOps? Okay. So, again, Azure DevOps, from DevOps to, so then you need to learn more about the Azure cloud if you wanted to, because see, I am a Azure certified also. Yes. Okay. So, and there was a project also which I have done when where we have migrated the entire Jenkins pipeline to your Azure DevOps pipeline. Okay, where we have basically there will be Epic. You can configure in Azure DevOps. You can configure each and everything into a single place. Okay, your work item will be there. Under work item you can add your epics and all, right? But you need to see, you need to know your secrets and all, how you are going to go with a agentless and all. There are so many things. Okay, how you can going to create your pipelines and all, right, in different stages. So according to me, but there you need to be strong. Anyways, here also YAML file will be there. There also YAML file will be there. But according to me, you need to know complete Azure DevOps plus Azure Cloud, AKS also. There are so many services which you need to learn, because if you will go with Azure Cloud, then you need to know complete Azure Cloud, Azure DevOps if you wanted to go. Okay. So that is the way you can go ahead. And if you want to know, I can tell you what all topics you need to cover in Azure DevOps. That also I'll tell you, and in Azure Cloud. Okay, what all services you need to cover to become a switch from move to DevOps role to Azure DevOps. You can connect with me through my channel membership. There I can do the career counseling for you. Is that fine for you? Yes. Okay. Jay Prakash. Hi, sir. Sir, we buy. Hi, sir. Should we buy interview question packages as well as, or which are available in your YouTube? See, that is, I think, Jay Prakash, it is enough in my channel. But see, there is a video also. There is my website. There is 200 plus interview question and answer I have uploaded over there. And because see, those videos is going to update. Those will be the advanced videos I am going to update. So these questions what I have uploaded, or I think you just leave it. You can go with my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer in my channel itself. Okay, that is enough for you. Depends upon your experience. Okay, but in my website I am going to upload a more advanced questions. It is there, but those videos are going to update also soon. Plus there are some videos which I have not uploaded, which is going to upload soon in that 200 plus interview question and answer, which you are not going to get in my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. But according to me, my suggestion is, if something is already available in my channel, okay, so you should, especially for Linux 100 interview question and answer, my suggestion is go ahead and do it from there. No worries, okay, currently, because that the one which I have uploaded over there, it's going to take time to update. Fine. So okay, guys. The last question: how to manage 90 days notice period? Most of the companies ask immediate or 30 days notice period only. They are scheduling interviews. I can tell you this one, but you need to connect with me, Harish, personally, because this is something. Because this video is going to be public, okay, and I don't want my. This is something which is unethical, okay, or ethical, okay. So you can understand. So Vishnu DJ, Vishnu. For this one, my suggestion is, please connect with me, Harish. I'll tell you. Okay, there is a very good solution for this one. Okay, how you can do this one? There is a, because if, see, they wanted us, because you also know that, very honestly, I'm telling you, all the companies are putting 90 days as a notice period. They are not relieving before 90 days, right? But if immediate joiner, or they want some immediate joining and all, they want 15 days correct notice period. How come you are going to manage if you don't have any offer in hand, right? Correct. That I'll tell you how to do that one. There is a trick for that one. Okay, I'll explain you. Please connect with me. You'll see that, okay, it's very simple and easy. Okay, please connect with me. I'll tell you how to do that one, and you'll get so many calls, and you'll get so many offers also. Okay, so how to configure WF? These questions, Vishnu sir, kindly pick the question. I have Vishnu. I said, yeah, guys, don't do this one things. Don't spam. Spam means same questions again and again. I have already answered your Danish your question, right? Please don't do it this kind of. I know I have taken your question. I have explained also your question, Danish. So many times you have mentioned. Okay. Venkat, I need to upgrade. Share some of the videos related to OS upgrade and all 8 to 9. Okay, Venkat, I think in my, okay, I'll update you on this one. Again, don't do this kind. Whoever, I'm going to hide you. I don't know online BCA content. Please, I'm going to hide you. Why you are doing again? See, don't spam this one. I said very clearly. If you have to ask question, ask. Why you guys are repeating so many times, guys? Please try to understand. Don't do such kind of a thing. Please, it's a warning for you. There is a ground rule online BCA content. You have not mentioned your name also. Okay. So next time I am going to block you. Please don't do it such kind of a thing. I am trying to help you, but if you are spamming me, then how come it is right? You only tell me, right? It's not right. Pavan Kulkarni, I am not able to see the link to book. Which one? Pavan, I think you are not the, as I said, there is a priority member only can book the link. Normal user and whoever the old users are there. So I have already cancelled that membership previously, Pavan, and money will be already refunded to them through as per YouTube policy. Okay, because it is controlled by YouTube. You got a mail also, the previous membership and all. Okay, so I have created only two membership now. One is unlock the success, those who are only going to get the videos access, which is only available for the member only. And there is a, on the next one is priority membership, where people only wants to connect with me for the career counseling and for the mock interviews and for rest of the support. Okay, So for that, priority membership is there. So whoever is joining priority membership, they can only get the access, Pavan, for that scheduling their career counseling or their mock interview and all. Okay. And if you have only joined this one, so Vishnu D sir, thank you, Vishnu. Sir, I am working as a desktop support engineer, and I want to become a Linux administration. Then what skill set need to learn, like file server or some other? So it's not only file server and all, Vishnu. I have just now somebody asked you the same question. Okay. You have also asked twice. Okay, same question. Please go through after this live session. Please go through that one. What is the roadmap of a Linux admin? Somebody asked me. So I have explained also in detail what all things you need to do. Okay. So you just follow the video in the starting of the video. Okay. And then you'll have your answer. Okay. So guys, I have covered most of the questions. So I think I have extended half an hour more. Let me drink some water. Okay. I'm trying my best for you guys, but at the same time, I need your support, guys. And that support should be in the form of, obviously, you guys can understand that you should bring more and more uh, viewers or the people who really need a job, right? Who, because I am going to provide you the authentic content. There is, and everything is proven. Okay. So please subscribe the channel more and more. That is only a motivation for me also to go forward, right? Without that, nobody can move ahead. That is what very honestly I'm telling you. Because if both of us has to grow, then I need your support. Correct. Without, if obviously, if you cannot clap your with one hand, right? So you need two hands to clap. Correct. So your effort, every action has its equal and opposite reaction. Newton third law of motion, right? So if I am putting my effort, but if I am not getting that support from you guys, then how come you guys only tell me? Very honestly, I'm telling you, hardly it will take 1 second, and it's no need to pay anything, right? So if you don't subscribe my channel, right, I need your support, right? So that is what my request. At the same time, go with my 100 days of IT corporate. There is no, because I have kept a nominal fee also. Honestly, I'm telling you, right? You see, have you see that people people buy movie tickets and all, right? But they don't go and watch movie tickets, right? People do the subscription of gym, right? Recently, most of you guys are doing the subscription of gym, right? But how many of you are going on a regular basis? So everything, nothing comes free also. So that is my effort, guys, which I am putting into 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And for that, I am asking only a small amount for you, and I'm not charging so much for you, right? So but the same thing is available in my channel also. So I said, support my website also, and support my channel also, guys. Okay. That is what. So, and for the live batches, I'll keep on updating on that part. Don't worry about that one, guys. So, thank you for today's live session once again. Just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye, and Jai Hind, guys.